Meaning of gone.
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 Gone. The word gone is primarily used as the past participle of the verb go. It refers to the action of leaving a place or departing from a situation. However, gone can also be used as an adjective to describe something that is no longer present or available, or a state of being lost or emotionally disconnected. In essence, gone implies a sense of absence or departure in one form or another, whether it be physical, emotional, or metaphorical. Its usage can convey a range of emotions such as regret, longing, or indifference.